What's up, my fellow viewers? Today I'm in my grandma's, village, and I want to record me exploring the nature, and also found here. Well, anyways, let's go. Oh, we have here a car has. Imagine if I would get a tick right now. That would not be good. Be annoying. But yeah, I love nature. I really love nature. What the hell? Oh yeah. Why am I so dumb? IQ 21. This joke not funny, by the way. Nice nature. Weed. Dried grass. Ooh. And let's put a stick. Okay, I gotta stop talking like this because it's so corny. Oh, look at it. I said stop. What the hell? Look at it. And also, I want to sponsor a game. The Ants Underground Kingdom. Oh, what the hell? Here are ants and there's an insect. Where is that insect? I cannot. There are ants. Oh, I found a guardian ant. Back onto the sponsor. The Ants Underground Kingdom. It is a nice game that I play. It's about you being a queen ant. Flip. 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 Scoop diddy whoop. My dad is calling me. He's wondering where am I. I've got this in my skin. A bee bit me. And guys, I need to return. Scoop diddy whoop. What the hell? Some guy was talking with me. Anyways, take a photo, guys. Nice bee sting. Wow. But Philippus, how are you not screaming in pain? Oh boy, I got bitten by hornets. When will the pain stop, by the way? Anyways, I gotta go. My dad is calling me. Bye bye.